The Bible story of Exodus is one of the greatest testimonies of God's power, faithfulness, and love for His people. The Israelites endured years of suffering under Egyptian oppression, but God heard their cries. He raised up Moses, parted the Red Sea, and led them toward the Promised Land. What is your Promised Land? God teaches us that no matter how deep are our struggles, He is our deliverer. Just as He made a way for His people, He will make a way for you. Even when the path seems impossible, trust in His timing and His promises. Oppression, fear, and trials may come. We can be assured of that. But with God leading the way, victory is also assured. If you feel trapped in a situation that seems impossible to escape, remember, God of the Exodus, He is still the same today, mighty to save and faithful to those who trust in Him. Stand firm, move forward in faith, and watch God work miracles in your life. You matter, and you are important to God and all. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. In Exodus 14, verse 14. God bless you.